My name is Fernando Dubove, and I'd like to explain to you the rights that non-U.S. citizens have if they are detained or apprehended by Border Patrol or immigration officials. All non-U.S. citizens have a right to see an immigration judge, they have a right to speak to an attorney, and in most cases will have a right to get an immigration bond, even if they're in the United States illegally. If you have a friend or family member that's detained at the border as they're coming into the United States, immigration will ask them why they came to the United States and if they have a fear of returning to their country. If the person was fleeing persecution or fears returning to their country because they will be harmed, they will be given a credible fear hearing with an asylum officer. This is the first step toward being able to apply for political asylum and getting a hearing with an immigration judge that can result in your friend or family member being released on a bond. At the law office of Fernando Dubove, we help thousands of people in these situations, persons who come to the United States for the first time and are apprehended at the border. In most cases, we can get them a hearing with an immigration judge within a week, at which time in many cases they can be released on a bond. If you have a friend or family member that's detained within the United States, usually after an arrest by the police, either for a traffic stop or another criminal offense, most of these people will also be eligible for a bond, a hearing with an immigration judge, and the right to speak to a lawyer. We encourage you, take advantage of these rights, even if a person is in the United States illegally. In many cases, they will be eligible to be released by an immigration bond, by an immigration judge. But your rights are only good if you exercise them. At the law office of Fernando Dubove, we handle immigration cases all over the United States. If you have a family member detained on the border in Laredo or El Paso or anywhere in the country, we can help that person. We have represented people all over the United States in removal proceedings. At the law office of Fernando Dubove, we have over 20 years' experience helping persons detained by Immigration and Border Patrol, helping them get the relief they seek so they can stay in the United States. If you have any type of situation like this, please feel free to call our office and schedule an appointment. Remember, when you talk to someone in our office, you will talk to an attorney, not an assistant.